Hello friends, today I will show you the no honk challenge. Currently I am in the bus stand area of Panipat city, and you can see the crowd here, the rush of vehicles here, and I will travel towards the Nangalkhedi village, thus another end of Panipat city. So this is one end of, you can consider one end of Panipat city, the bus stand, and I will travel towards the new bus stand area, the Nangalkhedi village of Panipat. You can consider the another end of the Panipat city. So I will undertake the no honk challenge. I will drive through the Panipat city, and I will not use the horn of my vehicle in any case. So yes, I will urge all of you to don't use the horns unnecessary, and I will also invite all of you to take this challenge. So let's see I succeed or not. So here I am driving towards the bus stand from that place. So here you can see some bikers driving wrong side, but I will not use my horns to make them aside. And one battery rickshaw is also driving slowly in front of me, but again I will not use my horns. I am driving towards the GT road behind from that particular area. So you can again see one biker driving wrong side. Yes. So this place is known as the old bus stand of Panipat, and the rush of old bus stand is ever ending. So you can find rush here at all the times. So I place that I will not use my horns in any condition, and it's a challenge for all of you who are seeing this video not to use your horns in while you are driving inside the heart of the city, in any city, either it is Panipat or Delhi or Chandigarh or any. So I will not use my horns in any condition. Let us see how much time it will take to move the traffic. Also I will not drive that much slowly, and I will not make my vehicle stop for long times to avoid the traffic, but instead I will not use my horns. So they will move automatically as I progress. So let's see. It is obvious that the video will be large because of the traffic situation of the city, and it will also depend on the traffic of different cities, how long the city is and how much the traffic there. So yes, if possible, in between I will make forward by 2 cross or 4 cross, but it's my place that I will not use horns. Because I know everyone on the road are not there to stay for long. Everyone in a hurry to reach to their destination. So why to use horn? Because the person in front of you is also in hurry, and he will move his vehicle as soon as he will find a path. So we were in the old housing board colony of Panipat, and now we are near to the GT road. old bus stand Panipat. You can see the traffic.
नहीं आशा
Buses are moving. Buses are departing from different locations from Panipat bus stand, and we have to cross all these hurdles without honking. So now,
बस पापा भी मुड़ रहे हैं तो फिर धूप चली जाएगी
if everyone will pledge not to honk, then there will be a great addition in noise pollution free environment of the city. Because I saw many a times that people honk without a reason.
एक मिनट बस पापा भी मुड़ेंगे ना तो धूप चली जाएगी
Now I successfully see the horn from other vehicles. You can hear the horn from other vehicles. This is the time when there is high load of traffic on this area of the Panipat city, and also this is the festive season where the Diwali celebration is near. So many people from nearby villages and small towns are also visiting the Panipat city for their shopping. So the rush is obviously high. So in this situation, the extreme rushy situation, I am driving with a pledge to no honk. So this is known as the red light area of Panipat, the main shopping area where you can find anything. Any means anything that you required for your general routine of house or for any celebration. So you can see the traffic here and rush of the visitors. But I will not use my horn as I place. And why I am this much confident? Because in my previous journey I did it successfully. I didn't use any honking, and I came from Nangal Khedi village of Panipat to that old bus stand of Panipat without using my horn. The rush is very high. I am hardly making it to 10 kmph. I am nearly at 0 kmph. Many vehicles are honking. You know why they are honking? I don't know, because The vehicle in front of you can't fly. You must understand that they can't fly, they can't move, make space for you to travel by flying. So the only thing is to wait for the traffic to move and make your path to go ahead. Now we are near to Insar Bazaar area of Panipat.
क्या ले लें?
है ना? Now we are at Bharatiya Samvidhan Chowk of Panipat and the main entrance of the shopping area of red light. This is the Palika Bazaar of Panipat and we are now crossing the Palika Bazaar area. You can hear that people are honking unnecessarily. Now we are near to Gurudwara, near the Arya PG. The traffic is very slow, there is a high rush on the road, and I am not using my horn. I will make it without honking to the other end of the city, and yes. Now we crossed the highly rushed red light area of the Panipat city, and we are near to IB college. We are crossing IB college at a speed of 40. So this is, good speed. Anyone can ride. The speed is 50, and now we are near the SD Vidya Mandir School of Panipat, SD PG College. And now the speed is 30. So you can see the variations of speed, the variations of traffic. Now yes, I am not using my horns. We are near to where we are. We are near to Sanjay Chowk, again the second rush area of Panipat. Now the speed is again below 10. See this bus, this is school bus. The driver is so bad in driving. The driver of that school MKK, the bus driver of that bus is so bad in driving. Now we are we crossed the. We are nearing the Sanjay Chowk area of Panipat, and we are approaching. So I made it till Sanjay Chowk without honking. I didn't use my horns till now. That's from the old bus stand to Sanjay Chowk, and we are continuing our journey towards the far end of the city. You can hear the horn from other vehicles, unnecessary honking. As I promised, I will not stop unnecessarily, and I will also not drive slowly unnecessarily to avoid the traffic. I am wherever possible, I am driving at the normal speed. This is the Gosala area of Panipat, and the Gohana mode is near. We are at Jagat, the famous store of pure mustard oil. So the Gohana mode is to the right, and we are crossing the Gohana mode area at a speed of 30 now. So yes, there is a chance to increase the speed. A biker is unnecessarily crossing me, so I let him go. This is the Huda sector 11-12. We are crossing that also at the speed of 40. You can see this truck driver, the mini truck driver, how he is intervening in between, and the lady driver of that scooty. So you have to face all those drivers, but here is the place that I will not honk, and I didn't use my horns. He is using his mobile while driving. That's a serious crime. He can make other to face an accident. But okay, no problem for him. And we are near to Transport Nagar area of city Panipat on a Chandni Bagh. And yes, I am crossing it at a speed of 40. Now Chota Hathi is here, Tata 407. And now my speed is near to 60. And here we have a chance to cover the travel time. So I am driving at a speed of 40, but the driver of I-1.2 Grand I-10 is not allowing me to pass. So I have to wait because I will not use my horns. And here is the battery rickshaw and the auto. Both are not good in driving. Again, a loader is in front of me. Now I am at the speed of 40 and I am crossing that loader. At the speed of 70 I crossed, and now we are near the Anaj Mandi area of Panipat. So here is some rush, but this is not that much as we faced in the red light area of Panipat. Now the traffic light is red, so we have to wait for it to be green. So for that time I am stopping my car, and when it will be red we will move. Now you can hear the unnecessary honking of the drivers because they want me to drive through this red light also, and many of the drivers are driving. So you have to follow the traffic rules. If it is red, you must stop. It is yellow and now it will be green, and I am moving slowly, and on the green I am crossing this red light. So we are crossing the Anaj Mandi area, and in some time I will be at the near the Sajjan Chowk, and I will stop my video because now the traffic is diverted and I have to go through the Flora village. So I am stopping my video here, and you can see how I crossed the whole city without honking. So thank you very much, and I am inviting all of you to take this challenge, the no honk challenge, so that our city will be noise pollution free. Thank you very much. Thanks for seeing. Tata, bye bye.